Shiba Inu is crashing. Many investors are now soiling their pants over what might happen next for Shiba Inu. Well, we can see very bearish price action here for Shiba Inu today. Could see more continuation to the downside, but we're at that very critical level of support, ladies and gents, the one I was speaking about a few days ago. And what's happening with Shiba Inu? Let's talk about what could potentially happen next. And this is really just a reflection of why FOMO is such a bad thing, why you should not chase the green candles. When Shiba was up here, you should not have been buying. It was not time to buy. So this could actually prove to be either one or two things: a great DCA opportunity, or maybe this is where we really lose support and Shiba Inu does finally go down that way we don't want it to go. Anyway, Shiba Inu, $15 billion market cap. Here on the day we can see it was actually sitting at around 17.67 billion, did capitulate down, drop down to $14.31 billion. So what I can say is something very interesting has happened here. So 0.000025 is that level of support we've been really needing to hold. And just looking here on the daily time frame, look at what's happened here for Shiba. And it's so important to factor in the previous support that we wrote in around Saturday the 2nd of March over here, this very region here where we had lots of support at the 0.2364 region, as we can see. And look, a buyback happened exactly there. You can see all this buying pressure from the whales. They came in strong, the bulls come in strong, and they actually got the price jumping back up to the upside, back up to this retest level of the 2553 level, which we need to Shiba get back into very, very urgently. So yeah, this is crazy stuff. If you guys are new here as well, hope you guys are doing well, having a nice weekend. Even though Shiba Inu might be really screwing up your mind right now, it's not over yet. We're still above that threshold. We're still in a zone where I wouldn't be really panicking just yet. And something has happened here that I want to also note is that Shiba Inu has gone oversold on the RSI. Hasn't done that since Monday, the 22nd of January. So this is an oversold position here. The last time Shiba Inu was oversold, over here, January, it did dip down. It actually did have a sell-off, and then it did go back up in price afterwards. So hopefully this is just like a shakeout, one massive shakeout from the whales. It would be really nice if that was the case. We can see the RSI is still looking pretty strong here at 52 on the daily time frame, however. So like I said many times, RSI, when you're overbought, when you're sitting at 97, 98 even on the RSI, you've kind of hit the ceiling, right? You're pretty much topping out. There's not much upside potential anymore. So this is what's happening. We need to hold this 0.000025 level really crucially, and we need to not break back down to 2337, because that could be very, very bad. Now, if you guys are trading this weekend, make sure to consider becoming a member of Jacob's Crypto Clan. Be a patron, become a crypto legend, unlock trading signals, early access to straight to DEX launches, stealth launches. Make some money. If you want to make some money potentially and expand your crypto portfolio, hit your goals, subscribe to the channel. Also consider becoming a patron. That we work ever so hard to optimize and scale in order to deliver the best service, so we can of course enhance your journey in the crypto space. Flipping over to the next topic, Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin obviously was up to highs of $73,000 this week. We can see now Bitcoin is coming down to 67.58. Amid all of the greed that we're seeing in the market, we are seeing, we're feeling the vengeance of greed. Greed is biting back just finally to people that are buying in and FOMOing in. You're feeling the wrath of greed right now. So, of course, buy on red days, buy on fear days. Don't chase green candles. Maybe this is just a good little window of opportunity. If you look at your 7-day time frame, what's crashed? Shiba Inu down 30%. Is this a buying opportunity? Arweave, Optimism, Bitcoin SV. There's lots of coins here that you would have already been FOMOing into a week ago at $2.97 just because it was pumping. You might have FOMOed in, but now it's down 30%. You don't want it anymore. It doesn't make sense, everyone. It just doesn't make sense. Now, let's also talk about Book of Meme. This is very random. This literally just spawned out of nowhere, Book of Meme. So I don't really know how this happened, because if you look, it's just come out of nowhere and it's already on Binance, Gate, Radium. It's not on Coinbase, however, but this seems very strange how out of nowhere, this coin just literally listed and has gone kind of parabolic. It actually went up to 1.53 billion today and is now dropping down in price a little bit. Very kind of confused about this one. And also massive shout out to Dogecoin 20, also has raised $1 million already. This pre-sale is absolutely hot right now. Hopefully it's going to be the next big one like Meme Combat was, but even bigger. This is Dogecoin 20, by the way. I've got a link down below. Do some research on it this weekend. They've hit $1 million almost in stage 2 of the pre-sale, I believe. And there are 12 stages here. A $6 million hard cap, giving this particular ICO a 10x potential in my list, and it could potentially do really well. So if you want to jump into this one, the link is down below. Do a bit of research. It's where Dogecoin 20 goes green. There is no infinite supply. There's a fixed supply of 140 billion tokens, and 25% is sold to the pre-sale, being 35 billion tokens, everyone. So really cool looking new meme coin. Do love it. It's got a staking platform as well. You can see 725% APY at the moment. Dogecoin 20, everybody. Could this be one of the next big meme coins? Many people are talking about it already, and they raised $1 million in just 2 days. So it's not a long wait. If you're looking for something short, something quick, where you can claim your tokens in just a few weeks when it goes live, Dogecoin 20 could be the one. How to buy? You could simply connect your MetaMask wallet, click on MetaMask or Wallet Connect, and you convert either Ethereum or Doge 20 into the meme coin. Now remember folks, this is not doxed or KYC'd, so it is high risk, high reward, not financial advice. But one Doge 20 is 0.000152, and the launch price is about 55% higher than the current price. So check that one out down below if you want to as well. Moving back to Shiba Inu. Overall, think it could potentially bounce back, but we need to see, of course, positive recoil from the rest of the market. We need to see Bitcoin come back up. We've lost about 250 billion over here, and also the blockchain total valuation. So I think it's just another sort of short correction in the market, fingers crossed, because we've still got the halving coming up, and there's going to be lots of bullish news around that. So fingers crossed we have another good 4 weeks of bullishness, and this could just be a shakeout. So let's see what happens. Not panicking yet. Unless we lose this 2-3 for good, then, you know, I might be a little bit worried, because we might head towards that 0.18 if we do see that happen. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Like this video, let people know in the Shiba world what could potentially happen next, and thank you for supporting. Subscribe. Bye for now. Stay crypto.